Hi and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to factory reset your Firestick, which is ideal if you plan on selling it or giving it away. So I'm starting on the home screen, and what we'll do is use the directional key to move right across to settings. From here we go down again and down to My Fire TV. Select that. Then we come down the list. To the bottom we have Reset to Factory Defaults. Select there. You're about to reset your Amazon Fire Stick to its original factory settings. Your sign-in information and personal preferences will be lost. If you're happy to do so, press Reset. Resetting your Amazon Fire TV Stick to factory defaults. Resetting your Fire TV, please do not unplug the power cable during the update.